Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a pay raise request letter. What is a pay rise request letter? A salary increase request letter, often referred to as a raise request letter, is a document written by an employee for HR or a line manager communicates to request their salary to be increased. A salary increase request letter will always state by how much the salary wants to be increased. The new stated employee salary. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a pay raise request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like other business letters in general, write your personal information. You can put this information as the header of the letter. So, write your full name with bigger font. And under it, write your home address, phone number, and email address. For the home address, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you can write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. In this example, the letter is addressed to the manager. So, write the full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company. And write the name of the company. After that, write also the address of the office or company. Yes, you have to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, tell the recipient how you love working in the company. And mention how long it has been. The next sentence, you can mention your job position. And write how you have given contributions to the company. Remember, the contributions you give here must be not average. It should be really gives impact so the manager will consider the request. And now, you can mention those huge contributions in bullet points. In this example, the writer has highest ranking salesperson. And the writer also brought 2 exclusive clients. By that means, the writer increased the company's sales up to 10%. Of course, it is a huge impact. Besides, the writer also mentioned other contribution that is also significant. Write them all here so the manager understand that you are one of the best employees they have. After mentioning your huge contributions, write how you have gone above and beyond the benchmarks you set with the manager or company when the first time you worked there. In the fourth paragraph, this is the point where you ask for a pay raise. Write how you would appreciate to meet the manager to talk about your pay raise. And write how you deserve it since it is commensurate with your beyond expectation performance. And you have to mention how much you want. For example, you request for a raise of 6%. And convince the manager how the number is average and can boost your competencies and work performance. In the fifth paragraph, write how you are grateful being a team of the company. And write how you love giving contributions to the company. In the last paragraph, thank the recipient. And write your hope to speaking to the manager soon. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and your full name under it. So, that's how you write a pay raise request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.